This is the practice test for percents, and we are looking here at problem number 8. And the problem says find the missing value in the proportion 21 over 14 is equal to 3 over x. And I've rewritten that down here. 21 over 14 is equal to 3 over x, and we have to find the value for x. Now, whenever we solve a proportion, what we want to do is look for the two numbers that are across from one another, across the equal sign. And here we find 14 and 3. So we multiply the two numbers across from one another. 14 times 3 is going to give me 42. And then I divide that by the leftover number, which is the 21. 42 divided by 21 gives me 2. And that always gives me the value of the missing part in the proportion. So the x is equal to 2, and that is your answer, letter B.